this is a car. Now, what does the car do? It helps us to travel far off places. So, car makes our work easier. That is, it helps us to travel to far off places. And that is why car is a machine. But if you open up a car, that is, if you open up the car's bonnet, what do you see? Well, you see that there are so many different parts inside a car, and all these are connected. That is, they are very complex. So car is basically a very complex machine. What about the washing machine? Well, as the name suggests, it's a machine, and it makes our work easier of washing the clothes. So washing machine is a machine. But if you open up a washing machine, you will see that there are so many different parts, and all these parts work together, and only then this washing machine works. So you see, it's a very complex machine because it has so many different complex parts. So both of these are machines because a machine is something that makes our work easier, and both of them make our work easier. But there is another machine which makes our work easier but is much simpler. It is the bottle opener. Now the bottle opener has a very simple structure and it has no complex parts. So even though it is a machine, it is a simple machine because it has no complex part and it has a very simple structure. So such machines are called simple machines. So you see, here we have a pry bar. So this man initially tried to remove this rock with his hands, but he saw that it required a lot of effort from him. So he used this pry bar, and using this he was able to remove the rock very easily. So the pry bar makes our work easier, and that's why even the pry bar, although very simple, is a machine. And since it is a machine with few or no moving parts, that is used to make our work easier for us by allowing us to push or pull only. That is why it is a simple machine, because it has few or no moving parts and it makes our work easier. That is why pry bar is a simple machine. So what we see is that this machine, although very simple, is able to multiply the force. That is, it is a force multiplier or makes a force bigger. So even by applying a smaller force, he is doing a work which actually requires much larger force. That is why these machines are also force multipliers. And such force multipliers are also called levers. So what are levers? Well, a long stick that you push or pull against a fixed point to move something. And these levers are again of different types. So examples such as crowbar, scissors, and even a knife, they all have a fixed point, and using that fixed point they are able to perform functions which require much larger force if these are not used, and that is why all these are levers. Now here you see this man is trying to fetch water from a well, and when he is trying to do that without the help of any device, he is applying a lot of effort to pull the water out, and he is facing lots of difficulties. Now the same man, when he uses this circular disc, then his pulling becomes much easier. That is, taking out of water requires much less effort in case of this circular discs. So much easier to pull with the help of this circular disc. Now what exactly is this circular disc? Well, this is a pulley. Now pulley is another device which makes our work easier to do and is a machine. Now this pulley too is a machine with few or no moving parts that makes our work easier by allowing us to pull only. And that's why pulley is a simple machine. So you see, even pulley is a type of simple machine because it has few or no moving parts and it helps us do our work by pulling only. Now, you must have seen a screw in your home. Even this screw is actually a machine. So, if you want to drive a simple nail into wood, what will you have to do? Well, you will have to use a hammer. You will have to apply a lot of force and only then you can push this nail inside this wood. So, it requires a lot of effort. Now, what happens in the case of a screw? Well, in the case of a screw, you simply rotate it and what do you see? It slowly moves inside. That is, you see a forward motion on rotation. And this definitely makes our work easier, isn't it? Because we are not applying much effort as we were applying in the case of the simple nail. You had to hammer it again and again. But in this case, you just rotate it and it moves forward. So what is it doing? It is making our work easier. So a screw makes our work easier. And so screw is also a machine. So because it makes our work easier to do, screw is a machine. And this is a machine with few or no moving parts that makes our work easier by allowing us to rotate only. So screw is a machine and it is a simple machine because it has few or no moving parts and just by rotating it is making our work easier, and that is why screw is a simple machine. So you see, in case of a simple machine is a device to change the magnitude and direction of force so that the work can be done by applying lesser effort. And this is what is a simple machine. And these type of tools have only a few parts. So these are the important characteristic of a simple machine. That is, it will have very few moving parts and it will allow us to change the magnitude and direction of force so that our work is easier and we have to apply less effort to do the same work. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.